Hello, I'm in a 2015 Mazda CX-9 and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your heated seats. So with the vehicle turned on, right here we'll look for these buttons. These are your heated seats. So this is the driver's seat and the passenger seat. So just click it once, and this is the max heat, this is like your medium heat, and then this is off. And then the same process for the passenger seat. And if these aren't working at all, the first thing I would probably check are your fuses. Make sure you don't have a burnt fuse. Otherwise, maybe check behind this plastic, make sure there's no loose connections if just like say one button's not working right. If that still didn't work, maybe check under your seats, make sure there's no loose connections or anything like that. And then you can, worst case, maybe something got spilled that broke some sort of heating mechanism within the seat. But otherwise, I hope all this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.